Okay, good morning, my dear students. Let us continue the next video. Now, see, we have seen about the compound sentence. Now, we are going to learn complex sentence, how to combine into a complex sentence. In last video, we have seen about the how to combine into a compound sentence. This is a complex sentence. Now, see here, two or more sentences can be combined into a complex sentence by using the subordinates or subordinate conjunctions. You know, one or more sentences can be combined into a complex sentence by using subordinates or subordinate conjunctions. In the last video, we are seeing, one or two more simple sentences can be combined into a compound sentence. But now we are going to learn, one or more sentences can be combined into a complex sentence. Now see here, WH type words how, although, as if, as, after, till, though, then, because, before, if, that, even though, even if, since, so that, unless, until. These are the subordinates or subordinate conjunctions, to combine the complex sentences. So with these subordinates, we can combine two or more sentences into a complex sentence. Now, for example, he worked hard, he failed. Now we are going to combine these two sentences into a complex sentences by using the subordinates. So which subordinate we are going to use here? He worked hard, he failed. He worked hard, he failed. These are the two sentences. He worked hard, he failed. So we can get the we can get the imagination, we can get the sense. So which subordinates should be used here? Now, though we can use though conjunction or subordinate. Though he worked hard. Though means in the beginning of the sentence we add although he worked hard, he failed. Although he worked hard, he failed. Second example is here. This is the house, it belongs to my grandparents. This is the house, it belongs to my grandparents. These are the two separate sentences. We are combining these two sentences by using the subordinates. So which subordinates can be used in these two sentences to join two sentences? This is the house which belongs to my grandparents. This is the house, it belongs to my grandparents. We are using subordinates to combine these two sentences into a complex sentence, to make a complex sentence. Now, this is the house which belongs to my grandparents. So, this is a complex sentence. This is the complex sentence. My mother keeps her ornaments in a safe. This is the safe. This is the safe. So these are the two separate sentences. And then we have to combine these two sentences by using the subordinates or subordinate conjunctions to make a complex sentence. Now see here, this is the safe where my mother keeps her ornaments. So where is the subordinate? Where is the subordinate conjunction to join these two sentences to make a complex sentence? So how it is making? My mother keeps her ornaments in a safe. This is the safe. This is the safe where my mother keeps her ornaments. So where is the subordinate? Where is the subordinate conjunction to join the two sentences to make a complex sentence? Now this is the complex sentence. This is the complex sentence. where WH type words are coming as a subordinates to combine the two sentences to make complex sentence. Now here number 4. He worked hard. Full stop. He wanted to feed his family. You know, he worked hard. He wanted to feed his family. So how it will be a complex sentence? Because he worked hard. He wanted to feed his family. So he worked hard so that he could feed his family. So first of all, let us guess. So what type of the sentence and which subordinate can be used for making the complex sentence to combine these two sentences. Now here, which subordinate is usually here? So that, you know, here he worked hard so that he could feed his family. So this is the complex sentence. So in this way we can use these subordinates or subordinate conjunctions to combine into a complex sentence. Two or more sentences can be combined into a complex sentence by using the subordinates or subordinate conjunctions. But we should keep in mind that these are the subordinates. These are the subordinate conjunctions for making the complex sentence. Which are the subordinates? WH type words. How, although, as if, as, after, till, though, then, because, before, if, that, even though, even if, since, so that, unless, and until. So these are the subordinates, and we can use the subordinates to combine the two sentences for making the complex sentence. So in last video we have seen, one or more simple sentences can be combined into a compound sentences by using the subordinates. Which are subordinates are used to make the compound sentences, and which subordinates are used for making the complex sentences. So there are some differences in the subordinates. So we should keep in mind which are the subordinates are used for combining the two sentences into compound sentences. Which are the subordinates which are used for making the complex sentences. So let us please keep in mind. Okay. So that's it for today. Have a nice day.